We have a huge squeeze because the short sellers have to cover their share with those stocks. First off, we got HPCO pump over the 350%. We discussed it in our Jesus watch list before the market opened when we said we're gonna hold up above the $1.17 breakout zone, $1.40 for first profit taking, $1.60, and the other profit taking that we discussed it even in our live streaming that we did in pre-market. And guess what? Now going third profit taking, the $3.14. Oh boy. Oh man, as we said, it got halted twice before when we took our first profit taking area, $1.60, the second profit taking, then we said the $3.15, and that's why the price got rejected around our third profit taking and get rejected around the $3.40, but here FOMO price. That's why we suggest to take the third profit taking and exit. And guess what? After that, we discuss about the reversal area from this box for HPCO, and we actually reversed from it and we did again 15%. We're gonna discuss if there's potential squeeze for this stock or not. Next up, we got SRZN as well. We cut this one on our live streaming when we said that there's a potential pump for this stock after we cleared the 80 cents and the price went over the $1, around the $1.16. We're gonna discuss if there's potential for pump once again. Markets hit our scan. I think it's pumping right now. We'll check it later. Tesla is doing all right because as we suggested last time that the price will pump toward the first profit taken out of the 210, and right now we holding above it as a support. KPRX is still holding above the $5.74. Mark is pumping right now, going toward the $3.14, doing all right. And we got the GSUN looking kind of dicey. Price is still holding up, and there's a huge triangle forming for GSUN. There's a potential huge pump if we broke from this triangle. Before we kick our video, we got great announcement for our hunters. You can get up to 15 free stocks on Momo, and those free stocks are AMC, DKNG, Tesla, Apple, and many more stocks. And how you can get those free stocks is really pretty simple. You open an account, then you deposit at least $100 to get 5 free stocks. Then you can actually draw your free stocks. And why Momo? Because you get 0 fees, you get the real-time level 2 data and AI supported alerts. You can actually trade around the clock, full extended hours, and 24/7 customer support. And of course, Momo is regulated by the SEC and FINRA. And Momo protects security customers of its members up to $500,000. It got the best trading platform last year and the best online stock broker for 2021. So use this opportunity and get your 15 free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below, and let's get ready back to our video. So let's start first with HPCO, the biggest gainer for today, and we cut this trade before the market opened on our picture when we said we need to hold the $1.17 and the breakout zone should be the $1.40, and guess what? The price actually broke when the market opened. And as we suggest for our hunters and our live streaming even to take profit, we said we're gonna hit the $3.14 or the 15, and the price got rejected afterward and went down. As well, we hunted again around this box. As we said, we're gonna have a reversal. That's why we have to watch out. The $2 right now is our current support, and there's another squeeze area for this stock around this level, the $2.87. So there's another breakout we might have in a power hour, so we have to watch out. So the game plan right now, if we got rejected and never overcome the $2.87, is me, the short, will short even more this stock and going even lower toward this AMA. So watch out. I will be extremely careful right now because this stock is heavily shorted, and that's why we have the squeeze. However, at the time being, we need to have a support above the $2 and never go below it, because if we went below it, we're gonna have another short open for this stock. We're gonna do short update analysis in our Discord and our Patreon, because we always do short analysis, as you can see. Next up, we got SRZN. So the price broke from the 80 cents. There's a potential resistance to break around the $1.20 in order to continue to go higher. Right now we have barcoding for the candles. However, the volume is picking up. When the market opened was around the 200K, so this is good. Right now is 6 million worth of volume. However, tomorrow we have to watch out for this breakout zone around the $1.21. We might have this reaction power hour to go toward the $1.90. There is a potential for another profit taken for the stock after we clear the $1, because this one, it was accumulating for months and weeks. So we have to watch out for a huge pump for this stock. Next up, we got Tesla. We hold above the first profit taken, the 210. We discussed this yesterday, if you remember, when we bought Tesla around this level, the 200. So now we need to hold this gap that we did for today above the 200 to continue toward the 233 price level. For Tesla, we have the best reversal for this year, because this year we hit the lowest price even from the last year around the 100, and the price pumped after that almost now 110%. Imagine. So this is a good reversal. However, we're not clear yet for entering a huge bullish trend. We're going to discuss the squeeze area for Tesla. And we're not squeezed yet. This is just a reversal, okay, from the huge bearish momentum that opened last year. So stay tuned for that. KPRX have a bit of volatility down because we didn't clear this flag. So this flag is kind of bullish, but we broke it from below. In the time being, we need to hold above the $5.74 above this AMA in order to confirm a discontinuation of bullish momentum. You see, it's kind of a snake crawling up toward the $10. So we have to watch out for this hold up above this AMA to confirm that the bull is still controlling the market and the trend for KPRX and continue to go higher toward the $10.18. Market looking really pretty good. We're still holding above the $2.16. We already did chart analysis for it. We said there's a breakout zone. We already broke from it, the $2.52. There's a potential for the $3.14, and there's other profit taken. We already did chart analysis for it. In our Patreon, we discussed the other profit taken. Lastly, we got GSUN, the same charting as for KPRX. I think the whale who buying KPRX buying GSUN at the same time, because we have the same kind of charting. However, in the time being for GSUN, looking better because we don't have a breakout from this flag from down or below. But I would prefer to have a breakout around the $3.15. This would be a really bullish signal for GSUN to go toward almost the $5. So now we have this huge volatility up and down. You see, like a huge wave from up and down. That's why it's pretty volatile. We have a huge pump, then a huge selling pressure, but we still doing higher lows. So this is the good indication for strength for GSUN, and a lot of traders actually flooding in and buying GSUN. That's why we have a huge volatility and a lot of people talking about GSUN and Reddit, and this has actually prevented it from going down and have a momentum to go up. So we need to confirm one thing, which is holding above this current support above the $2.50 will confirm everything that GSUN will pump toward the $3 and beyond. Stay tuned for this update as well, and if this breakout happened in pre-market, we're gonna do short analysis and pre-market video. Stay tuned for that, and tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming around the 3 p.m. CET as usual. It will be extended one because it's Friday to discuss the stock that have potential to squeeze, and we might cut some stock like HPCO like we traded today, and we traded together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.